Hello, today you're looking at an Aldonex 2000 amp 0 to 15 water-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 230 volt, 3-phase, is in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. Overall dimensions 40 inches long by 30 inches wide by 62 inches high. It is a fully programmable unit. Take a look at the touchscreen controls here. It's got timer, ramp control. It is fully programmable, amp hour meter, etc., etc. It's also filtered. How do you like that? Come back here, we'll hit the home screen, bring you back to center and start. Give it a couple seconds to start going. And we'll come over here to the O scope. Very subtle wave, as you can see. Very nice, quiet unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.